Oh yeah, fresh off the truck in basic. It's your favorite wheel collectors. This right here, people, is why you follow us and the Lamley group. Tonight, we are going to open the end case. And guess what? We're going to keep doing it. We're going to give away free cars again with John from the Lamley group. We're going to do a cross promote, which we've actually never done before. And we're going to send out the best 5 cars to some lucky winner that subscribed to us and commented on our threads. Okay, so without further ado, here's in case. I'll give you a peek inside the top of the box, and then I'll tell you the highlights of the particular case. Okay, there's our top down of the first top layer. So I'm going to do these 3 at a time, and then I'll tell you the highlights as we go along. Okay, the first 3. Buns of Steel. The custom Acura Integra. The custom 56 Ford truck. Okay, the next 3. We've got the Mercedes-Benz A-Class. The Robo Race Robo Car. The Slide Kick. Next 3 cars are right there. We got the Tread Shredder. We've got the Skyboat. We've got the Rapid Responder. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about, people. This is the brand new Bugatti Chiron. Looks like their Tupper case. We'll do the Ford Ranchero right there. Look at that thing. This is the one that everybody's been waiting on. Check out that paint. Dark blue. Got the PR5s on it. Some lucky winner's going to get that as one of their 5 cars. Here we go, as the next 2 cars. Got a recolor on the Volkswagen SP2. We've got the Beat-All. Got the Volkswagen SP2. Tupper case. Next 3. We've got the 64 Buick Riviera. And we've got 2 of the Hovering Out. Super gold chrome. That's cool. Here's the next 3. We've got Carbide. We've got Crescendo. And then we've got the Croc Rod. The next 3 in the case. We've got Evil Weevil. Got the 2011 Dodge Charger RT. And then the all-white Dark Knight Batmobile. Next 3. Got the Croc Rod. And then we have 2 of the red Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. The next 3. Got 2 of the custom Ford Maverick. Then we've got the white Honda Civic Type R. That's super cool. Okay, last 6 on the top. We've got an El Camino. We've got Evil Weevil. They actually started making that back in the 80s because I had it. And then we've got the Beat-All. Last 3 on the top. Oh, here we go. Now we're cooking. We've got a Fairlady 2000. We got the bright orange McLaren Senna. Look at that color. And we've got a Tesla Model S with the PR5s. Okay, we're on the home stretch now, people. Real quick, I'll show you into the bottom layer. Okay. Oh. There's bot wheels. And then check this out, guys. This is cool. The Audi RS5 Coupe. That is just smoking. That's definitely one of the best cars in case. Put it on that side. Next 3. Got another one of the custom Integras. And we got 2 Chrysler Pacifica. Next 3 cars. Oh, here's another new model. Got 2 of the Pagani's. And here's a new model right here, the Runway Rescue. We got the Twin Mill Genie. It's like a nice bright aqua. Electro Silhouette ×2. Got another Twin Mill. Got Carbide. And then we have another Runway Rescue new model. The next 3. Got another custom 56 Ford truck. And we've got 2 of the 2017 Audi RS Avant. That car is awesome. That's a sweet wagon. Then we got 2 of the 67 Ford Mustang Coupe and another El Camino that was in the top layer. The next 3, got the 64 Buick Riviera. And then we've got the purple McLaren 720S with 10 spoke. Super cool. Okay, last 12 cars in case. We've got a black Aston Martin. We've got the green Surf and Turf. We've got the Baja Hauler. We've got 2 of the bright orange Lamborghini Aventador J's. 1 Mach Speeder. We've got a bright green Mazda RX-7. We've got another green Ranchero. And another tread shredder. Okay, last 3 cars. Corvette Grand Sport. Then we got 2 Turbone Charged. There we go. Thanks for joining. Again, with the Lamley Group, we're going to draw a winner based on subscribers and comments. Thanks, everybody.